The Bossi SF series adopts advanced technologies for the finishing of tubes and cylindrical surfaces. The fully automated centerless processing line guarantees high standards of precision and productivity, allowing a high level of industrial integration. The entire machine frame is built on a high-rigidity monoblock steel structure, designed to reduce vibrations and guarantee high-quality standards during all operating phases. Every detail of the structure is designed for precise and continuous processing, with particular attention to the alignment of the roller conveyor. The processing cycle is carried out through 6 fully automated and independent abrasive belt units, designed to guarantee a uniform, controlled, and consistent finish over time. The grinding units use automatic belt adjustment and centering systems, allowing rapid diameter changes and precise management of pressure on the workpiece. Here we can see the conveying system guiding the tube along the entire production line. Smooth and synchronized movements maintain constant operational continuity during every phase of the process. The protective enclosure is designed to guarantee accessibility, safety, and maximum production efficiency. The 6 grinding units allow maximum material removal of up to 0.2 of a millimeter with the first 2 units, and the achievement of a surface roughness of 0.25 Ra with the last 4 units, thus obtaining an extremely smooth surface. The electronic management system, based on a Siemens S7 PLC, controls every machine function through a touchscreen interface, with process parameter storage, advanced diagnostics, and Industry 4.0 ready integration. The electrical cabinet centralizes control of the entire system, guaranteeing reliability, safety, and continuous communication between automation, handling, and measurement systems. The in-feed and out-feed roller conveyors represent one of the key elements of the plant. Designed for the handling of cylindrical surfaces, they use motorized systems, pneumatic pinch rolls, and independent adjustments controlled by inverters, ensuring stable, precise, and perfectly synchronized feed movement throughout the machining process. The industrial filtration system is entrusted to AGR Filtri Technology, an Italian company specialized in the development of filtration systems for industrial fluids and coolants. The centralized system combines an advanced high-head hydrostatic filtration system, gravity-fed, and magnetic separation technology, guaranteeing a high level of coolant cleanliness and efficient management of machining residues. At the exit, the laser measuring system constantly monitors the diameter of the workpiece and records process data in real time, guaranteeing high-quality standards throughout production. From here, the final result of the process: a uniform, controlled surface ready for high-performance industrial applications. Here, Bossi technology reaches another level of automation by integrating with robotic handling systems. The automation, developed by Irons Technology, enables automatic management of the production flow, optimizing the loading, unloading, and handling of components within the line. Their systems are designed to adapt to the customer's production requirements, and can be integrated across the entire Bossi range of machines, creating complete automated lines that are highly flexible and fully autonomous. This is not simply a machine. It is a complete industrial solution where surface finishing, automation, and integration work together as a single system.